Yang hane kita tu, yang hane. Kum hawa hawa. Ini hasil ni konsensus ni kasih what hard position mana tu.
Belai tong thoka, ini ni odin kasih mujun di nengai. Tamale sini Rejina Debbarma bo Mandai constituency ni ngai bo kharokcha bronze medal man phaijak MUAYTHAI yo GTOI MUAYTHAI butoi box bulai masin khana ang bono puila malai puro bo thana ni sakang malai puro ang bono mokol pengen ga tong tang ni ji nung da bulai paino ni ang bono hin no harota kai to phane ni sep rok tong na bulai thani hingka bo phan bai ba nung jiti phai hin sajak bukuino bota bu jiti phai bela ke tong thoka tam himale abo chini tirprani gorbo bo kharoksa buri ingui nai abo jiti phaiman bage bela ke tong thogo jeng bono lam sogo tai yasak sogo tai bono tebo khabu charinan musungo ama haikeno bo tebo jiti thung tebo kaham thung tam himale bo kharoksa buri ingui nai abo world champion phaimani bage bono bela ke hambai mario ishor bono tebo ama haike kurung tebo phan boxing thon bini okurung ni bisingo teb kurung khai buchanan bagi teb phani thon jeng belai khai tong thogo au chini tirprawo ama haike no kurung ama haike ne thungai nai wal medal gold medal man phaima
college. We are very much happy to have Rejina Debbarma as a student. She is a student of political science honors and she has physical education as past subject. She is very obedient and she is very regular in the college. So we are happy for her and we expect some more medals. And on behalf of MEB College, we give a big congratulations to her and it's a hearty welcome once again. Come back to our state and we expect and we have our expectation in coming days that she will achieve many more medals and bring the pride for the nation and for the state and for the college as well. Thank you so much.
English
actually the world championship হয়েছিল থাইল্যান্ডে মে 3 তারিখ থেকে 14 তারিখ পর্যন্ত ইন্ডিয়া থেকে 18 athletes আর 4 officials গেছিল we won 4 medals all are bronze medal. World level competition is very tough. We're lucky that our girl from Tripura, Rejina Debbarma, also won a medal. This for information and it's for happiness that she is selected for the World Combat Games, which will be in Saudi Arab, and also for the Indo-Asian and Martial Games, which will be again in Thailand. For these two games, she is selected. But from all the locals who have helped her at this moment, we again urge them to help her again so that she can represent in those two games and bring laurels and glory for our state and country. Also request on behalf of all the media to come up and to the government that to come and help us more and more so that we can uplift this game in our state. This game has got huge potential in our state. I think in near future, if we get more support from the government level, we can bring up more athletes. There are plenty more athletes who can bring laurels for our country in this game. Thank you.